If m and n are the zeros of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then we have to find the value of m square plus n square. So we know the identity a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So I'll use that identity now. I'll use that identity. What is m square plus n square plus 2mn? So this can be written as m plus n whole square, right? I want m square plus n square. So what I have to do? I have to transpose that plus 2mn to the RHS. Then what we get, if I transpose this plus 2mn to the RHS, it becomes minus 2mn. Now I am going to use this result now. So what is the polynomial they have given? Polynomial p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. They have given the quadratic polynomial. And we know that what is sum of zeros? Sum of zeros, m and n are the zeros. So I'm taking the sum of that. We know that sum of zeros as minus b by a. And whereas product of zeros is m into n, can be written as c by a. Now what we have to find? We have to find m square plus n square. I'm using the above result. This one I'm using. This m square plus n square can be written as m plus n whole square minus 2mn. Now I'm going to replace m plus n by minus b by a, whereas mn by c by a. What is m plus n in place of m plus n? I'll write minus b by a whole square. In place of mn, I'll write c by a. Are you all able to follow? Now, what is square of negative? Square of negative is always positive. Square of negative is always positive. So square of negative becomes positive. Square of b is b square. Square of a is a square. Now 2 into c by a means 2c by a. Now I'll make the denominators as same. So what I do, I'll multiply a here and also I'll multiply it to the denominator. This becomes b square minus 2ca can be written as 2ac, right? Now what is there? We have a square here and we have a square now. Since the denominators are same, we can directly add or subtract the numerator. So the final answer is b square minus 2ac by a square. The value of m square plus n square is b square minus 2ac by a square. I have got one more problem here. Same as the above. What they have given? So same thing. They have given m and n are the zeros of the polynomial 3x square plus minus 3x square minus 5x plus 1. Then we have to find the value of m square plus n square. Okay, I'll just erase this part. Just a second. Just a second. Wait. Sorry. Okay. Now what we have? So what is the polynomial they have given? P of x equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 1. So we have to write down the values of a here. What is a means? Coefficient of x square, that is 3. And what is b? Coefficient of x, that is minus 5. And what is c? The coefficient of, what is c? It's a constant term, that is 1 here. And what is sum of zeros? Sum of zeros, m plus n is equal to minus b by a, right? What is minus b by a? Minus, what is b? B is minus 5. I'm using these results. What is a? 3. So this can be written as minus into minus plus 5 by 3 we get. So sum of zeros is 5 by 3 we got. And shall I write it here? What is product of zeros? Product of zeros is c by a. C by a. What is c? C is 1 and a is 3. The product of zeros is 1 by 3. Now what we have to find? We need to find the value of, sorry for this. I'll just erase this part. Just a second, give me a second, sorry. Now, so what we have to find? We have to find the value of m square plus n square. What is the result? What is the result of m square plus n square? The same thing we have done here now. What is the result of m square plus n square? m plus n whole square minus 2mn. M plus n whole square minus 2mn. So what is m plus n now? M plus n is 5 by 3. 5 by 3. And what is mn now? Mn is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Square of 5 is 25. Square of 3 is 9. This can be written as 2 by 3. Now we will make the denominators same. Nothing but by taking LCM, or directly I'll write. Here I'll multiply by 3. In the numerator also I'll multiply by 3. So what we get now? 25 by 9. 2 3 is 6 by 3 times 3 is 9. So we have got the denominator same. Now I'm going to subtract 25 minus 6. What is 25 minus 6 is 19 by 9 is the value of m square plus n square. Thank you. See you in the next video.